guys, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial today. Yay, like my baby, enjoying my celery water as well. Timewise, age double D, just like a pearl size amount. So our microdermabrasion system is super awesome. You get like 80 sessions or 80 uses out of it, and it comes with pore minimizer, serum, and it exfoliates the little microcrystals that are dermatologist tested and approved, and also esthetician approved cleansing charcoal mask. And that, what that does, it has activated charcoal, so it pulls the impurities out of your pores. And this is latex free, so this is clay-based. I don't like my nude background. And so I have some beige one cream to powder, endless performance. It's this right here. Comes in a clamshell, then you pop it into your compact. And I have a little sponge applicator there, but I also have my handy dandy brush. It's dirty because I use it. Endless Performance Cream to Powder Foundation, and I love this stuff. Does not clog the pores. Now my face is a little bit not so good because of masks lately, and these masks are such a bugger. Oh, they're probably my makeup all over. So the moisturizer I used was for a combination of oily skin. This is gonna just even out my skin tone, so I'm not so spotty if I wear spot. So we're doing skin tone. A little bit sensitive skin. So, and like I wear a mask for a little bit too long, but I get a little I get some breakouts. So this is a little bit of glow in it. Just gonna take a run this. And I don't want to do eyelids, you just like concealer. So then I'm gonna take my concealer. I'm gonna do 3 dots under the eyes. Oh, that was 4 probably. And I'm gonna go a little bit right there. A little bit of a spot, a little bit of a spot. I have a little spot right there. Highlight areas. And so if we talk about highlight, you want light on the spots that you want to come out. So like an artist wants light on the spots that you want to come like protrude out of a picture so you don't look so flat. And then it also helps to lighten the area under the eyes. You look nice and awake and bright. Now don't get crazy. You don't want it to look like this. You want it to blend it. And then of course I use my powder. And I use my eyes today. My eyebrows are not so funky. So now I look like directed. But no worries. We're gonna blend is our friend. I'm going to use a little bit of mineral powder foundation. This is amazing stuff. It's not that expensive. I've gone to the grocery store and actually seen it for like $9 more than what we charge. We don't have a no Mary Kate. By the way, this is no Mary Kate card. I'm a makeup junkie, but I am brand loyal. I do not like to mix other brands because I don't want it to react with my skin or have a reaction. I just want to make it look as natural as possible, and that powder just kind of sets. Yes, I know I use a Precision Brow Liner, and it's smudge proof. And it's super fine, so if you look at my eyebrows now, it's super fine, so it mimics like hair. And you just flick. And this is very interesting to do makeup in a camera. And so I'm gonna drink some of my celery water. Anybody curious about that? It's like, I think I used 4 stalks of celery today. 4 stalks of celery. I put it in my blender and filled the water line up to 2 cups, and then just blended it until it was like super pulverized. And then I strained it, and then I'm drinking the liquid. Now then I save the pulp and I put it in my chocolate recipe. It helps relax you so you can sleep. And magnesium helps with your nerve endings, helps with anxiety. Just so you know. There we go. Can't play with curly hair too much. It'll turn out to be like that. So yes, I have naturally curly hair. That's alright. Eyebrows are awesome. I love how they do them. I just don't like the overpainted look. I don't want to look like my face is done. I like the natural but done. A little bit more hair on that. Well, I like to do my eyeliner first. Some people do it afterwards. I like to do it first, and then sometimes I go and retouch it up afterwards. I like to because I think it starts off my makeup right, and then I keep it all within the eyeliner. And this is waterproof liquid eyeliner pen. This is Nude Mary Kay, and it has the black top, so that's how you know it's waterproof. And so I'm gonna draw a heart. I'll bring out. Oh, there we go. And then I'll show you that it's much better waterproof. Oh, I'm trying. And then I'm gonna show you our awesome eye makeup remover that just doesn't tug on your eyes. It's our #1 seller. And so now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Hopefully I can do this in the camera. If not, I might have to go down into my mirror. Even just that little bit, makes my eyes open up. So I'm going to go all the way across. There we go. I'm gonna take my smudge brush, only because I want that line to be so hard. And I'm gonna smudge while it's still wet. Because once it's dry, it's pretty permanent. There we go. Look at that. Look at that ice. I did Amazon too. Ooh, look at the difference. I'm gonna look at your eye. Oh, it is Amazon. Yay. So now I'm gonna take my smudge brush and I'm going to smudge it. And yes, I did the whole my blue face down thing. I think it just makes you feel like you get better. I don't know. So this we're gonna do like a really awesome look, and it can just really accentuate the eyes, especially with us having to wear our masks and it's mandatory. You want your eyes to really pop. That's good. Brushes right here. Almost there? Yeah, almost pushing. Okay, so there we go. Oh, my water's out. Oh, I do. There we go. A little bit of water. I'll use my straw for my cup. I'm gonna pour a little bit of water in it. You see the water, the little water. Water drop. And it's waterproof. It doesn't come off. Yay, that's awesome, right? So now I'm gonna finish the bottom part. So if your eyeliner gets just a little dried out, you want to store them with the tip down. So that if you have them upside down too long, then it's not going to come out as easy. And so you want to store them tip down. Just a tip so you don't think they're drying out. And then you're calling your pencils out because you get it out so quick. And so store them downwards. This one was upside down, like, oh my god. Ooh, there you go, I got some eyes. There, I feel alive now. Yay. Okay, so now we're going to do some eyes. What am I going to do? So I have this little palette. And look at those really pretty colors. Some shiny pink, there's a moss and an onyx. I don't know. That's kind of feeling like a bright color. And then we have all these other Mary Kay Chroma Fusion. This awesome huge palette. And these are great because you can replace just the one instead of the whole palette. So you can fill this up with all eyeshadows, all bronzers, all blushes, highlighters, and so you can do like a super professional makeup beauty influencer. Oh, I know what colors I want to wear. What colors? You know what? I think I'm gonna do that blue. I think I'm in the mood for blue. I think I'm just like in the mood for just bright and fun. Ooh, just a little bit of blue with me. So first, I'm going to take my all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to tap a neutral color all over. Let's see. I think I'm going to do this one right here. I'm going to flip it over so I can see what color it is. Sandcastle. So I'm going to take Sandcastle, this one right here, and I'm just going to tap it all over my eyelid. Give it a base color. Pretty neutral on my skin tone, so you want to pick something that's neutral, pick a neutral skin tone, and gives you a base. Now, let's see, I'm going to use that blue, and I believe that blue, let me see, is a Radiant Blue, and I believe that came from a limited edition palette we had for a while. And I'm going to start at the edge, like at an angle, and then flick inwards. Ooh, I like it. So I'm going to do something on the other side. 45. Tap, so you don't fall out. And then flick. It's a kind of faded look, so it's not so harsh. And then, of course, we're going to blend, too. Blending brushes. What everybody's doing this summer. Quarantining and all that fun stuff. I'm just showing this down to blue. Ooh, okay, I like it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this pink. It's not so warm, it's a little bit cooler versus the other pinks that are on here. And that was good. Oh, Golden Peach. I believe that also came in one of the other limited edition palettes. Let me see if I like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this part of my eye. And then we're going to like blend together. So one phase into the other. Okay, that was awesome blending brush. You can see what's in there. Now Mary Kay, this one's an older one. I have this other small one. I like this one because it just looks a little bit. I'll do the tip. Let's try it. The other one is really different. So this one's a smudge blender. Let's see, eye smudger. And so I could kind of use this one as a blending smudge brush as well. Ooh, I like it. I'll use this one anyway. We'll go circular motion and kind of soften that line so it's not one harsh line. Oh, I like it. I like it. I'm gonna put it in because I like it. It's so bright. Really bright and fun. I like it. Okay, let's do a little contour. I hope I even put out. There we go. So I've got some blush, a little what's it called? Honey Glow highlighter. So just that. So I'm gonna take this blush. Which blush am I using today? Rosy Nude. It's in my pretty compact. That one's Rosy Nude at the top, and this one is Honey Glow. The Rosy Nude, I'm just gonna right on the apples of my cheek. You don't want it too like in a ball. You want to and it depends on your face shape, like where to put it. And always, you know what? If you don't know where to put it, take a picture and show me. I'll tell you this right spot. I won't lie you. It won't be cool, but I won't lie you. And so we're gonna put a little bit of that glow. I'm gonna take this other one. This one here. That was a little lighter, not so bronzy. And we'll do tomatoes. So there we go. And I'm gonna take that bronzer. I'm just gonna get myself a little contour. Ooh, some cheekbones. Alright, how cheekbones look? That'll help that on your face. I'm gonna side my nose. Ooh, that was a little dark. That was a little dark. You can push that one a little bit too hard. I take my big brush and I'll lighten it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my nail powder back. Just lighten it. I don't want to put my fingers on that because your fingers have oils on them. And those oils will just make it stick. Cut that line so it's not so. Like it doesn't go all the way down. Soften it. Clean the brush. Let's do a mascara. That was making me happy. Let me find the lipstick color as well. Okay. I have Hot Pink. My favorite. So we have this really awesome mascara. Lash Love Fanorama. So if you notice I don't have any lashes, like no lashes at all. You know what I'm going to guys? Because I want that line to really look cool. I'm going to go back over it. Oh no, I know exactly where to go over. Because it's already there. There we go. Okay. You don't see any lashes. I can see without poking myself in the eye. And did y'all know Mary Kay is made in the USA? Isn't that awesome? Made in the USA. We have real scientists that help develop our products to make sure they're safe. We're cruelty-free. We've been around over 56 years. Ooh, look at that. Who's looking excited? And we're sold in over 38 countries, helping other women become independent and beauty influencers. So I started off with Mary Kay skincare, and everything with Mary Kay. So I've been Mary Kay 6 years. I love Mary Kay. I love the culture. I love our products. I love what we stand for, enriching women's lives. I'm weird if you can't tell. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go down. Thank you. I have very tiny lashes because of my, I don't want to say it's ethnicity, but it's because they're not in our genes. So I have like long lashes. That helps. Say that, and my son has like crazy long lashes. Some of his boys have long lashes. I love my Mary Kay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna drink bottoms up before I put on this liquid. But we do have some lacquers that don't come off, and I'll save that for later. You can tell I love this color. It's hot pink. I love color. I know people say I don't wear makeup. Makeup is makeup. If you're just putting like a tinted moisturizer and a mascara on, that's still makeup. So let's be clear. If I can see mascara on your face, you got makeup on. Now if you're saying you don't like get makeup, you know, in full glam, that's a whole other issue. But I don't know who you're trying to prove that to when you say you don't wear makeup and you got like eyeliner and mascara. And lipstick. There you go. That's Mary Kay as well. So this one is hot pink, and I believe it's a semishine gel. So it's a gel lipstick. And it's burnt up my hair, so let's see what happens in a few more months. There we go. All Mary Kay. I do have this spray. I think it's in the other room. But I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna do some live videos today, and I was gonna show you all my masks. So isn't this mask cute? So I make masks. All because of you know, COVID. We started making masks. But like my girls that got makeup. It's just so cute. This is Mary Kay. There you go. How cute is that? But thanks for watching, guys. I got a new backdrop. This is my first time using my new light. Oh, there you go. Look at that. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna post this on social media and all over the place. So we'll have to do a different color. This is my colorful look with my blues and my pinks. I want a transformation. I look like a girl. But thanks for watching. Y'all have any questions? Y'all subscribe, like my page. I'm just starting, so you know, all new to this. I'm not a pro, but I'd love to get some followers and see what you guys are doing, and maybe you know, if y'all like what you see, then you might learn something. So, and that's what I do. I teach skincare in real life that's not on video, and I teach how to take care of your face, and I teach makeup application and self-love, self-care, and beauty. So thank y'all for watching. Subscribe.